pretty new to Amplitude, been using the SDK since last September. We've had some other analytics platforms like GA4, Looker Studio, Hotjar, looking to consolidate some of these to eliminate the friction of going to these different platforms for information, just ensuring that there isn't any discrepancies with that process or any challenges that may come of that.
But there will be discrepancies. So I think when you say mitigate data discrepancies, that's pretty much all you can do. It's very hard to get this down to zero. If anyone is in this position where they're migrating from something else to Amplitude, it's not really possible to reduce discrepancies to complete zero. It's just a lot of things at play. There are a lot of factors, different tools use different definitions to ensure data accuracy, efficient event tracking, and actionable insights while avoiding common pitfalls. First of all, allocating time for resolving discrepancies or mitigating discrepancies is one of the things that has to happen during your migration. I understand you've already gone through this process, but if anyone else is going through it, allocate time for figuring out discrepancies. And now what I would recommend, if you are experiencing still discrepancies or you're worried about that, is to start by comparing event totals for some really basic events. If someone is performing 10 page views on GA and then 10 page views on Amplitude, that should match pretty closely. Once you align page views and page view numbers, or once you get to a very small difference, then you can look at the other things. The most basic thing I recommend checking is in data, you have this thing called Ingestion Debugger. You would want to make sure that whatever happens, you're not losing data, meaning data isn't rejected upon ingestion. Under data here, you go to sources. There's a tab here called Ingestion Debugger. And this will give you an x-ray of what Amplitude's ingestion servers are collecting for you. And it'll also tell you if they are returning errors when you send data to Amplitude. So you want to keep this at a very, very low percentage. You're going to be able to subscribe this as far as I know. So you don't necessarily have to come and check this over and over again. I think Amplitude plans to release a feature here where you can subscribe to this. No matter what, you got to maximize your chance of getting data into Amplitude.